All right, new arrival. 1973 and a half 911T Survivor. Only one owner since new. Just a gorgeous car with lovely patina, mostly original paint. You can see that this guy over the years, over the decades, used OEM plus parts to kind of continue to modify it, to modernize it. You can see it's got 80s style fog lamps, but that's a factory front spoiler. Those notice right away that little crash bar down there, so it is a factory air conditioning car. Gorgeous car, original glass, tinted, 7-inch wide Fuchs in the rear, again with the European turn signals and fog lamp, but it's a 73.5T. As we all know, that's a CIS motor car, 2.4 liter. When the car was new, he didn't have enough money to afford sports seats, but later on, he was able to get factory sports seats. The original comfort seats are included with the sale. They're in fantastic condition. As I mentioned earlier, this is a air conditioning car, factory air. Again, we see evidence of, OEM plus. That's a 90s radio. Again, Porsche only. But look at this dash, no cracks. It's all original interior. Headliner's perfect. Carpeting is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. With only, believed to be only 27,000 original miles. I mean, look at the carpeting, it's nice and plush. It's perfect. Door cards in fantastic condition. Got the C.o.A, matching numbers. Really, really rare opportunity to own a Survivor. 73.5 911T, one owner since new.